Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a feature that can completely change how you manage your meeting minutes using Zoom meeting summary templates. I'm T. Hooper. Welcome to my channel where we explore ways to manage your ministry's workflows. Whether you're hosting worship services, meetings, live streams, fundraisers, or simply just establishing standard operating procedures, I'm here to help you do it all in a simple, inexpensive, and practical way, making room for your ministry to flow. Before we get into the how-tos, let's talk a moment about meeting minutes, because every outreach, every committee, every goal, essentially all begin with a meeting. So at their simplest, meeting minutes are documented records of discussions and decisions. They include who attended, and most importantly, they include motions, votes, and action items. So meeting minutes are not just notes, they serve as legal documentation for your ministry. Meeting minutes also help us to stay accountable so that each team member knows their next steps, organized by keeping track of ongoing projects and plans, and transparent, showing our members and our leadership that we operate with full integrity. So that meeting after the meeting, stop that. Don't do that. When you have well-kept minutes, it ensures that your ministry stays on mission without getting lost in confusion and repetition. So your ministry story is written one meeting at a time. So let's just make sure that it's documented well. Meetings have come a long way, I must say. We started creating minutes in a notebook, pen and paper, and then we moved on to the typewriter, and then we moved on to word processing, and that's where a lot of people have stopped. Now Zoom has introduced an even more modernized way of producing them. So this is where Zoom's new meeting summary templates come in. So Zoom's AI listens, it summarizes, and then it formats your meeting notes for you. So let's head over to Zoom and see how this works. To be able to take advantage of Zoom's meeting template summaries, an admin on your Zoom account needs to turn that feature on. From Zoom's dashboard, you scroll down and select Account Management, and then within Account Management, Account Settings. Under AI, you want to make sure AI Companion is toggled on, and then in the meeting section, you have an option to start the meeting summaries when your Zoom meeting begins, or you can do it manually. That's totally your choice. But the biggest piece here is to scroll down to meeting summary templates and make sure that is toggled on as well. And you'll see that Zoom has a default meeting template already selected for you. What you do now is you click save, and then let's head over to scheduling our Zoom meeting. So let's schedule our meeting by clicking on meetings, schedule a meeting, entering your topic, set your date and time as you normally would, and then in the bottom of this page, you'll see an option that says AI Companion. For each meeting, you can determine whether you want the AI Companion to start automatically when your meeting starts or not. You want to make sure that a template has been selected for your meeting summary. Click Save, and then conduct the meeting as you normally would. And when the meeting is over, you will have the ability to go back and take a look at your summary to access your meeting summary. In the left pane, there's an option for summaries. And then on the My Summaries tab, you want to select the meeting. Now I have a previously recorded meeting, so I'm going to use that as an example. Click on the meeting, and then you'll see that Zoom has automatically created a meeting summary for me. If you like it, share it. You also have an option of changing the template. So back at the top of the meeting summary, you can change the template. I'm just going to choose discussion. So after Zoom has reformatted your new template, you can take a look and see if you like it. If you like it, save it. Otherwise, you can hit discard. And then I'm going to hit discard for the sake for the purposes of this demo. Finally, on the Summaries tab, if you just want to share your meeting, you go back to the meeting and you click the right arrow, which is a share button, and you do two things here. If you have a bunch of people in your organization that share your Zoom account, you can enter in their email addresses at the top, in the top box. Also have an option to tell what level of access a person has to your meeting. They can be an editor, a commenter, or a viewer. Once you determine the access level, you click copy link, copy and paste that link into an email and send it to the recipients. And that's how you create meeting minutes the modern way. If this video helped you, please like and share it with someone else who might find it useful. Because when we share information, we don't just make our own work easier, we help others to do the same. I want to say thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make room for your media ministry to flow. I'll see you on the next video.